Welcome to Indian Talent Olympiad. Today we will learn how to make payment for online student test. Go to Student Test Login. Enter your registered mobile number and password and choose Trial User from Select User Type drop down and click on Submit button. To subscribe for scholarship-based test, click on Buy Now. Select the subscription plan. You can choose from individual per subject or combo plan. Combo plan comprises of 4 subjects: Science, Mathematics, English and GK. If you want to participate in all these 4 subjects, you can choose combo plan by clicking on Buy Now. You can choose 1-year plan, 6 months plan or 1 month plan. If you want a report card, select Yes from the report card option. Proceed on to make payment by clicking on Buy Now button. Individual per subject includes 6 subjects: Science, Mathematics, English, GK, Drawing and Essay. If you want to participate in any individual subject, you can select it from Individual per subject option by clicking on Buy Now. You can choose 1-year plan, 6 months plan or 1 month plan. Select the subject. If you want a report card, select Yes from the report card option and click on Buy Now. This will take you to the payment gateway. You can make the payment by cards, UPI, net banking. If you want to pay through debit card or credit card, select Cards option and enter the details and click on Pay. If you have Google Pay, PhonePe or UPI, you can select UPI option, choose the desired payment option and click on Pay. Similarly, you can choose net banking option for payment. Once the payment is successfully made, you can now practice on the practice test and appear for scholarship-based online student test. Subscribe now for online student test and get a chance to win 1 lakh scholarship monthly and TAB weekly.